Been a while since I've been in the shed. Just been flat out trying to get videos out the way, but yeah, thought I'd jump in the shed. The Suzuki is still here, that's pretty good news. Hasn't run away on me. But what I've done, basically I've cut the sides off, as you guys know, and I've re-welded those on there. So what I'm doing now is cutting my plates for my rock sliders. You always put a plate on the chassis to stop it tearing out of the chassis and making a mess. So I'm just putting a plate on the side and I'm just cutting some holes in it with my hole saw, and then that just gives me a little bit more area to weld to in the middle, and it kind of makes it look a little bit nicer. Not that anyone's going to see it once it's painted. But yeah, getting there. Progress. It's been a long while since I've been in the shed, so it feels like I haven't done anything for a long while. So I decided to get a little bit decorative. It does have a reason. I'm not doing it just because. Basically this panel is super flimsy. So what I'm going to do is get my Dimple dies out from RuffStuff. Got a full Dimple die set. And basically I'm going to put some Dimple dies in it. And that makes the strength go up considerably. So just mucking around here. See what it looks like when it's done. Hopefully it's going to look alright. If not, I'm going to have some ugly holes on the side of my truck. Such is life. Just like that. Dimple dyed guards. Beauty. Now it is a very simple process. You literally drill a hole with your hole saw, stick your Dimple die in the hole, and then put it in the press. And what that does is deforms the steel and it makes it really strong compared to how it was. So I've now got a semi-rigid guard that's not hopefully going to flop around everywhere. So happy with that. Time to chuck these tail lights in. I ordered them a while back and I completely cheaped out on them. They cost me like 15 bucks, so if they only last one trip, well, that's my own fault for cheaping out. Now, I've just drilled the first hole and the second hole's marked out, ready to go. Once I did some calculations and made sure that it was going to be even, and yeah, so I'm happy with that. Now, my only downside is I needed a 114mm or 4.5 inch hole saw. The biggest they had at the local hardware store was 111mm or 4 3/8 of an inch. So if I can't get these lights to fit in nicely, I'm going to have to run the grinder around a couple times just to enlarge the hole to make it work. So such is life. I'm going to get this done. Looking forward to seeing what it's going to look like with some tail lights in there. Just like that, we have tail lights. Very, very easy install, although I haven't wired them in, obviously, they're just sitting in there, but I think it looks alright. It's kind of the look I was going for. All I need to do is get some reverse lights. They make ones like this, but these are 4 inch, they make a 2 inch version, which would look quite cool, a smaller circle here and here. Most of the guys that run these, they run them on the soft tops, so they've just got a tailgate, they haven't got the spare wheel carrier. So it looks a whole lot better, I reckon, but it still looks alright. I'm happy, so it's all good, it's all that matters. Just hopefully they stay in there and don't fall out.